This AUM government signed for the ECCB to take over our banks and chain those local banks in a hostile fashion. The report that they talk about for months on their famous, fabulous radio stations. The report that they expected to prove their points of corruption and criminality have been written. But the reason why you are not hearing about these reports anymore is because the reports page by page have slapped them in their faces because it has come back marked. There is nothing untoward that went on. If you don't believe me, ask them for a copy or ask them to read it and talk about it in honesty. When I see the chains falling, we will recover our banking institutions and restore our nation to financial viability again.